Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, the mail lady came and here I am sitting in front of you getting prepared to show you the August Glossy Box. Guys, I took it out of its little brown box because it's so hard to open, but I want you to see this box. And before I do that, I want to welcome all my friends. I really appreciate each and every one of you when you have an opportunity to watch my channel and see what I have to present. I also want to welcome any new subscriber or persons that's not subscribed and would like or think about subscribing and would hit that notification bell so you'll know all my next videos and be a part of our little family. We are all one big family here. We have a wonderful, wonderful YouTube community, and I am certain that you would be happy to be a part of it here with us. And we do a lot of different unboxings, some beauty, Mass Mondays, and I feature some products that are sent to me, and they're mostly beauty products like Uni radio frequency, and I just recently did a towel clean, the Ona facial cleanser. So be sure and check out all those products. They've got some great beauty and help you, get some of those lines going down. But anyway, we do lots of things, and those are just a few. But today we are going to show the Glossy Box. And guys, you've got to see this beautiful box. You know how Glossy's been changing it up a little bit. This box cover is really pretty. I will tell you that Glossy is $22 a month. It's $18 a month if you are on an annual contract. But today, let's present the August box. Isn't that so beautiful? It is called The Art of Beauty. Now guys, when I seen this box cover and I read the theme, The Art of Beauty, the first thing I thought about was when I owned my fitness club back in Herman, Missouri. I bought some art pieces, and one of my favorite art pieces is a little small painting but meant so much to me. And when I read this saying, The Art of Beauty, I want to show you this painting that I bought then and I brought with me. When I sold my club, I took this particular painting out and off the wall. I didn't let them have it because I just loved this, and this reminded me when I seen that and it said The Art of Beauty. When I seen this little bitty painting, that's what I thought of. I thought, oh, that's beautiful. It's just the art of a beautiful woman, simple, hat, fashionable, like a fashionista, flowers there. I don't know. It was romantic and modern and sophisticated and just beautiful art. And so I've kept it with me all these years, and of course I have this displayed in my office here. But anyways, I wanted to share that with you because I love this painting. I don't even know who the artist is. It doesn't even have their signed signature, so I can't even tell you who that is, but I love that piece of art. Now back to The Art of Beauty with Glossy Box. Let's look in here and see what they have for us. They've got it wrapped up, and we have a product card on top. Our ribbon is white this month. They've really been changing up the boxes here lately. And like I said, that's our product card. It's wrapped in some blue paper, and they've got their glossy seal on there. I think I'm going to try to just cut it off this time instead of tearing the paper. And here's a little sneak peek. Yep, I just gave y'all a quick one. I want to hurry up and grab this card and let's get going on here. I don't know if they're going to give us a total value, but usually Glossy's over $100, I think, for your $22 or $18. But they do give us prices, the MSRP, and some things will be full size and some things will be what they call a deluxe mini. The first thing I'm seeing here is Pores, and this is a deluxe size, and it's Apathetic Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. All great art needs a beautiful canvas, and your skin is the most important canvas of all. This nourishing and smoothing formula contains vitamin C and rose extracts to brighten, plump, reduce dark spots, and leave skin looking more even. Leave it on overnight and wake up looking glowing and hydrated. And this is an MSRP of $25. The regular full size is $50, and this is a 20 ml. So, and Kors is a good product. They've got some strange packaging, I think. When I was holding it up, I thought I had the back side, and then I flipped it over and realized, no, that's the front side, all right. So, interesting. And guys, one thing I forgot to show you. I showed you the front cover of this box, but on the inside, it has Hi Beautiful. I just love this, and these boxes are still that same good quality. They make great gift boxes. Now let's go on to the next item. The next item is an authentic beauty concept, and it is this right here. It's a beachy texture spray. Whether you're creating a laid-back summer beachy wave or an on-trend updo, texture is key. Shake up this lightweight, non-crunchy spray and spritz through the roots and lengths of your hair before blow drying and styling. The organic sugar and sea salt ingredients will give your hair volume, shape, and better grip. Wow, now I might could use something like that. And this is a full size, and it is $20. And it has a tip. Great for air drying. Spray onto damp hair and allow your natural hair texture to take shape. So hey, and mine seems to be curly, which was never like that. Got older and it got curly a little bit. Okay guys, our next item is another full-size item, and it is in the bottom here. Let me get to it. It is in this little wrap. Can you guess what it is? I'm gonna have to open it up here. It is a full size. It's Hidden Garden Pigment Palette, it says. So let's just see what this looks like. Look at the pretty packaging. Hidden Garden. Do y'all remember there was a movie called The Secret Garden? My dad, he recorded that movie and brought it down here for my grandkids because he just felt like that they would really love watching it. So I guess he just recorded it on his own and brought it down here. And they did. They really liked it. It's a nice little movie. That's kind of what that name reminds me of, and it's by Estate. And there is a mirror, and there is a protective cover. So we'll just put this up here, and let me show you this palette. Isn't that gorgeous? It says, it's time to release your inner artist. Grab your brush and tap into the beautiful rich mattes and shimmers inside this eyeshadow palette. There's neutral tones you can wear every day to flatter and contour your eyes, but there's also green, purple, and red to create a colorful, smoky artist look. And this has an MSRP of $30. And the tip on this is pair the dark brown shade with a small brush and use as a soft eyeliner. Perfect for a daytime definition. And that's a good tip. Aren't those colors beautiful? I like this palette. It's got a nice diversity of colors. That is just beautiful. So, and it had, like I said, a $30 value. And I don't know that I've never gotten a palette this big out of Glossy Box. So I'm real happy with this. Very nice. Love it. The next item to go along with that is a brush. And this is a tapered blending brush, and I'm not sure that this is. It says Luxe. It looks big to me for a tapered blending brush. I'm not sure. It is a Luxie, and it is a full size, and it says tapered blending brush. So I guess it could be. I mean, it is tapered. It just seems big to me. But anyway, y'all let me know what you think. Okay, on with the instructions of this. It says a 205 tapered blending brush. We love Luxie for their huge range of brushes, shapes, and their pleasing pink and rose gold designs. The 205 is a great all-arounder, ideal for applying and blending our transition colors into your crease or for blending any harsh lines and eyeshadow looks. Plus, the synthetic bristles are a super easy way to clean. It is a full size and it's a $15 value. And again, that just seems like a big blending brush, but what do y'all think? It is soft, and you know, I can get use out of it. I just don't know that I'd use that for eyeshadow. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Okay, guys, the next item is a Tangle teaser, and that is right here. And you can see inside there that it's got bristles to help you detangle your hair. This is a full size. It's the original mini Detangler brush, small in size but big on detangling. The original brush from Tangle Teaser is a firm favorite among Glossy Box team, and the smaller version is perfect for your purse or travel bag. No pulling or tugging. It's super gentle and glides through wet hair or dry hair easily, and this is $9.99 retail. So very nice. And then let's see, that was 5 products, and it looks like we have 6. We have a Victor and Rolf, and it's an extra treat, so I guess it's like a little bonus, and it's called Good Fortune et de Parfum. And this is Meet Our New Perfume Obsession, the Good Fortune fragrance. Yep, that's what it says. The Good Fortune fragrance was inspired by Victor and Rolf Spiritual Glamour Horticulture collection, and it's wonderful, feminine, and powerful. Notes are fennel and ginseng flower, heart of jasmine, and bottom notes are creamy bourbon vanilla. Ooh, that sounds good. It says it's a half ml, full size, starts at $88. So this has it doesn't really give a value. It just gives you what it would cost if you bought a 30 ml bottle. And this is just a 1.2 ml sample here. So let's get it out and see what we think about this. I love perfumes, and I've got a Victor and Rolf, and I love it. And this is a little bit different because it is called Good Fortune. So let's try out the Good Fortune. Oh, that smells very good. Maybe I'll put some up here. Okay, guys, this is a winner. I love this fragrance. It smells really good. This is something I would wear. I love this. This will be going by my desk for during the day when I just want to spruce up, have a nice scent. I keep little essential oils and little perfume samples close by, and it kind of gives you a pick-me-up, or it does me. I don't know if it would for you or not, but it does me, and I really like it. So to recap our August box, we got our Hidden Gardens palette, which is very beautiful. We got our Luxie blender brush. We got our Victor and Rolf Good Fortune perfume sample. We got our full-size Authentic Beauty Concept, and this is the Beachy Texture Spray. And we got our deluxe sample of the Kors Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. So I guess it's kind of like a facial mask during the night. It's going to brighten up your skin. And then we got the original Detangler teaser. Yay! So this was a pretty good box, I think. So that was my Glossy Box. What do you think? Did you have a favorite? My favorite is the eye palette and this cologne, the Victor and Rolf Good Fortune. Maybe it'll roll in some good fortune for this fall. I can't wait. So you let me know what your favorites are. And hey, what'd y'all think about the beauty of art in their cover and then the inside? I thought that was just gorgeous. And of course, you know, they do put Glossy Box on their box, so you know it's Glossy Box. And hey guys, tell me, what do you think about my little painting, my little art of beauty that I purchased in the 90s? Yep, I really like that. And y'all let me know what y'all think. And hey, don't forget to check my descriptions. I have some open collabs out there that you can still join up, and there's multi-channels that you can win from different channels, as well as my own. And I still have my surprise giveaways out there. They may be closing soon, so be sure and check those out and get yourself entered if you're interested in any of those giveaways. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.